e66 BMW with an N52 engine. If you have trouble with your starter motor not starting at sometimes, most probably the issue will be with a relay. The starter motor relay is this one, and the other green is for ignition, and both the part numbers are same. If this goes bad, you will feel no start at sometimes, but for what I felt, this relay should also be good for this to function, because there are like two gates in this. This also should work properly for this to function well, so better change both relays. Their part numbers are same. You can remove and take a look at the part number. I'm not really sure whether the relays are same for the V8 and other spec engines. Thank you.